Welcome to Apex Andy's race tutorials.
Yes!
Ready are we, mate?
Something like that.
This is the earliest I've ever been out for a track day. We are off to Blyton Park, 3-hour drive, and we got to be there at 8 AM.
What a stupid idea.
That is a dumb idea. So, yeah, too early to be filming, so I'll see you when we're there. Yo,
Hello.
can you hear us?
It's windy.
It's very windy.
What a vehicle this is.
That's the car.
Great vehicle.
We are at Blyton Park, which is like very far north.
Very fun.
For us anyway. We basically got invited down with our, like some of our ad guys, and they're doing a day here with V-Box race.
V-Box.
Race Logic. Shall I just read what it says on the side of the
Yeah.
thing? Because if we get that name wrong.
I feel like right knobs.
Race Logic. We were right, we nailed it. They do loads of like data overlays and stuff like that for like track days. They're doing like a test day here. We got invited down to it. So we've got one of their Logic boxes. So we're gonna have some footage in a bit with like loads of data overlays,
Yeah.
which will be fun.
Telling us how much we suck.
This is the first track day I've done since we've had the new cage put in. The first track day I've done since I've got the
Tarox.
brakes fitted. Strut brace on the front, anti-roll bar on the rear,
Front mount. Recaros.
which are the best seats in the world. We've got like polybush dog mount. Oh, I've got a baffled sump, so that's new. So it's quite different from last time I did a track day. Shout out to Race Logic, shout out to 4-Stroke Media for sending us down here.
Cheers to that.
We're having a lot of fun.
It is proper fun. Hi, welcome to Apex Andy's race tutorials.
Rolling?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. My nose is dribbling.
Yeah. Cock's dribbling. Oh, ready for this?
After this lap.
Ready after this. Let's go. She's warm. She's warm. Oh yeah.
He's dropped it again!
much car of it. You're in the compactor, eh? You're driving it like it. That fucked up a whole lap. I was just laughing the entire lap. We shouldn't be allowed shit like this, should we?
No.
We're so scandalous.
The fact that there's no one else on track, we've got the track to ourselves pretty much.
I tell you what, you ain't that far off being the fastest there. Except for Dark Side, they're rapid obviously.
We're definitely caning it more than anyone else.
Yeah, we're giving it shit.
Yeah.
We've almost spat fucking once or twice.
There was supposed to be like a bunch of YouTubers here, content creators, but a fair few have dropped out. A fair few have got car problems. So it's pretty much just like a free track. There's like no one else out, so we're gonna go out again.
Oh, there, what it? Get that tyre on that bit. Last time. Yeah, no. As soon as I see him, I'm just like, just go, mate. Just you're too quick. Jesus Christ!
Let's have a look at some shit then.
Better have a look at some stuff, eh? Scooby. I don't normally like them. Well, I don't normally like Subaru that much, but they're kind of cool.
That's cool. I do like that.
This though. Bit of me, this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is very cool. It's the most race car thing here.
For sure. Love the fact he's running a Vertex wheel as well. Which is nice. Good on him, if it's real. Should I test how flexy it is? Snap the cut. 911 turbo, I suppose.
Yeah.
Rarer thing.
911 turbo.
I don't know enough about them, but I just
don't know
love
anything
them.
about Porsches.
I'm guessing it's like 70s, 80s.
Yeah? Yeah, we'll go with that. Someone tell us in the comments what this is.
It's got a frozen bottle of water on there. For the cool air. That's definitely what that is. Well,
Yeah, 100%.
So good.
Well done, mate.
Yeah, fair play to you. Well done.
What else we got? We've got an M2 over there.
Two. Which is, in my eyes, one of the best new M cars. I don't like anything new.
You don't like
really.
BMs, do you?
No, I like the idea of them, I just don't, not me.
Then we got James's R8 V10.
Yeah.
V10
It's another
plus.
one, isn't it?
Yeah, sounds unreal.
Great noise.
Yeah, and then we got a nice van, which
Great
tows
rig.
stuff.
It's the least pikey van and trailer combo you can have, really.
Yeah.
Because all vans and trailers are pikey together.
Yeah. Oh yeah, massively.
But that.
Almost as spiky as a flatbed.
Oh, flatbed on trailer. That's the stuff of dreams, that is.
What's going on here then?
Thought I'd have a look at this thing, innit?
A few laps?
Yeah. Nothing serious, not my car.
No.
And it's your baby. Third and fourth for whole track, innit?
Yeah, you'll probably just be third.
Anything I need to know?
No, not really.
Just
Feel it out, I guess.
Driving a turbo car. It's fucking weird.
Them curves then, please.
Huh? Oh no, it's a big car.
That was fast. That was sick.
Oh, it felt fucking lovely. I thought I drove right then.
Yeah, you did. We're men.
Yeah, man, it's so handleable.
Yeah, it's
like,
nice,
it's
isn't it?
actually sound. Like once you, it took me like 2 laps, and I was
Yeah.
like, fucking hell, I could drive the fuck out of this. She's doing well.
She's doing very well, yeah.
Might switch the rears to the front.
I reckon we should try that, you know.
Yeah.
We're going to put the accelerators on the front and the old Yokohamas on the back and see what difference that makes. Oh, the space has come with it. This might actually be a game changer, you know. He's got loads left on the fronts. That's it.
Oh, come on then, accelerate, see what you got. Remember tyre pressure now, because we're rock hard on the front.
So we've now got the accelerators on the front, which seem to have a bit more tread.
A bit?
A lot more tread. Go on, boy. What are you putting in it?
You know, I was pumping it hard and then I was letting them out. Oh, perfect.
What are they at?
25s.
Nice.
Cold.
25 and 28, I reckon.
That's what I'm doing, yeah.
We'll just try that and then go from there.
Shake the mud off. Get on that fucking grass, boy. I was thinking he's got to accept his fate here.
My face is so warm.
Warm face. Chapped lips.
3-hour drive home.
Ugh.
We got no fuel. Tyres are done.
I think they were done before we got here, but
this car did better than I thought it would.
fucking way better.
Yeah.
Not a single problem, touch wood.
Touch wood. I actually love this car again.
Yeah, I bet you do.
Yeah. 3-hour drive home. I'll see you back at the unit. All right, we made it back. 3-hour drive there, full track day, 3-hour drive home. Didn't miss a beat. I'm so proud of this car. Real quick, before I forget, I'm gonna do the giveaway. And this week, these just arrived with us. So these are our new air fresheners. We've got black and we've got white as well. We've actually got a hoodie and tee coming in this design, but that won't be here until the summer. Our ultimate pack of air fresheners are back. These are 8 air fresheners in one pack. Get the 2 new ones in there and then 6 other ones. I'll put a link in the description, but I'm gonna give away one of these ultimate packs. So if you wanna win one of these, then all you gotta do is drop a comment down below. Comment what you think of mine and Andy's driving. Comment what you think of the Cupra. Comment if you like track day videos. I hate editing them, so I hope you like watching them because it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, drop a comment down below, you'll win one of these. Also, I am gonna run a little deal. For the next 2 days, if you spend £20 or more, I'll chuck in one of these for free and you can smell like cherry. Or watermelon, or whichever one it is, because I can't remember. After the track day, all I know is I need an LSD, really bad, limited slip diff. I was just spinning wheels when I was going around corners. I was spinning the inside wheel, so yeah, LSD is needed. If anyone knows anyone who can hook me up with an LSD, what brands are good to go for front wheel drive, let me know. We need some new tyres, we need some poly bushes, I've got a wheel bearing to do. I need to finally put my fuel pump, new injectors, get it mapped, and yeah, I'm just stoked on this car again. So you'll be seeing some more videos on that. And that's about it, I'll stop waffling on. Thank you very much, cheers for watching, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video, goodbye.